back to GHANAFUNTUBE. Oh, guess what, guys? I'm in Bristol. Park Street, my favorite city of all the time. Guys, I hit 1,000 subscribers from Bristol, 2,000 from here, and I believe we can hit 5,000 subscribers from Bristol. Yes, I'm here. I'm vlogging. I haven't been on the street for a long time, guys. I'm vlogging with my new camera, and the weather is chilly, but who cares? I'm wearing my pearls. Oh my god, they say real guys wear pearls. So what I'm going to do today, I'm going to explore this amazing city, and then I'll get to town, show you guys some amazing pictures of this gorgeous city. So let's get to business. Another cool thing about Bristol is, there's a lot of places to eat, like Nando's, Java, there's so many. And we also have a St. Nick's market, which you guys watch my videos. I did a lot of videos from the market. And you know what? This Park Street here, guys, on Friday and Saturday night, is the best place to party. You can party from 6 o'clock in the evening to the next day. Guys, Bristol is amazing. You guys watch my Bristol video, right? It's amazing. Look at the cool things about Bristol. Scooters, cars, buses. You can get here by plane, by boats. You can get here in so many ways. We have about three train stations, Park Station, Tumblemead, and other ones. Guys, it's a cool place to be. So I'm here tonight. I'm going to create content. I'll go to the Christmas market, show you guys some gorgeous beaches. You know what? The bus station is just down the road. The bus is coming here. You can get here in so many ways. So if you're watching from Bristol, let me know what you think about the video. Let's get there. Alright, so at the moment I'm walking down to Harborside to see if I could get some locals to talk to. So guys, stay tuned. Let's get to business. Right, so I'm going to the car park now. The car park is called College Green. I think she's calling me, guys. I'm at the car park. Get to the car park. Right, so this is how much the car parks are. So as you can see here, you can pay from 8 o'clock to 6 o'clock, then the price change. So you can pay up to 4 hours, 6 hours. £6, and then the period for evening is £3.50. That's how much I'm going to pay. The code right now here is 2767. So that's how the machine look like. You can pay with coins as well, but all you have to do is put the number of the reg. I managed to download. Right, so because I've already parked here, what I'm going to do, I'm just going to select the location. I will try to display over the video so that you can see the process. The location is already here, so right, so you can see. I don't know if I get closer, if you can see it. That's exactly how much I'm going to pay till midnight, and then I'm just going to make payment. I'm actually going to select it so I can actually see the button. I'm going to pay now, easy as ABC. There you go. There you go. It's easy, right? So that's what you do to pay park at a College Green car park station. Now let's get to town and create some content. So I'm heading to town right now. Hopefully I can get to talk to some Bristolians. I always like to talk to locals whenever I'm creating content in Bristol. So yeah, let me get there. Let's see what we can get for you guys. Please, it doesn't cost anything to like a video or comment. I'm begging you. I beg of you, please like the video and let me know what you think about my videos. What's your name? Aria. Aria, are you Bristolian?
No, I'm not. I'm from Singapore.
Really? Mm-hmm. Oh my god, actually I was wearing a t-shirt today to create a video from Singapore.
Oh, okay.
I was in Singapore about 5 years ago.
It's nice.
Yeah, it's very, very nice. Oh my god. So how long have you been in Bristol?
4 years now.
Oh, 4 years. You're more like local.
Maybe. I love Bristol. Bristol's home.
What's your favorite place in Bristol?
Ashton Court.
Ashton Court?
Because of the little baby deers. They're so cute. I love that.
And your restaurant? Favorite restaurant?
Favorite restaurant? Java, actually.
Guys, I was telling you guys about Java. You can't go wrong. Look at this, 360. Amazing place. Look.
I can tell you about Java.
Yeah.
All this wood is historical, actually. It's from the Mauritania ship.
Yeah.
Which is a sister ship of the Titanic.
Yeah.
So it's a historical building as well. It's so cool.
Wow. Thank you so much. Hey, nice talking to you. Let me take my time and enjoy my cocktail.
You
nice
do that.
You.
You too.
Right, so guys, I'm currently in Java outside the Banksy painting. This is the restaurant. Oh, amazing cocktails. I'm having St. Clement. It's kind of beat up because I'm driving. I don't want to take alcohol. So when you're here, make sure you stop here and grab yourself a cocktail and breakfast. They have London breakfast, they have Athens. There's some amazing cool breakfast. Always choose the breakfast menu because you'll regret it. You'll thank me later. Seriously. It's my Clementine, St. Clement, I mean. So bon appetit. Enjoy your drink. Heading to Harborside. I'll see if I could ask some few people to subscribe to the channel because you know that's the only way I could grow this channel. And the hotel in front of me here is Marriott International Hotel. If you're in Bristol for a weekend, it's not bad. It's actually on the Park Street. So guys, look how beautiful the hotel look like. I haven't stayed there, but you know, because it's on Park Street, it's a perfect place for you to stay, you know. And then behind there, that's the greenhouse. Greenhouse is one of the best places to start your party, you know. So I'm currently on a constraint. I'm heading to St. Nick's, not St. Nick's, but I'm heading to that part of Broadmeads to see if I could get to where the Christmas market is. This is my first time coming in here. Guys, I'm currently in Wetherspoon on Pond Street, Bristol. I'm just inside the beautiful building right now to order some drinks. I managed to get some guys outside, so I offered to buy them a drink. I don't know. One of them ordered Carling and Blood Orange. I don't know what Blood Orange is. Probably I need to research it. I'm going to have a pint because that's the only drink I'll have for tonight. So guys, this is inside Wetherspoon. That's how the building looks like. It's very, very beautiful, very artistic. I think it's very historic as well. Who knows, maybe it's listed as well. Excuse me, mate. Will you mind to open for me, please? Oh, thank you. Legend. Thank you so much. Oh, what a nice guy. Thank you.
No worries, man.
Cheers. Thank you. Hello. Finally here.
There he is.
Oh my God.
Oh yes, sorry. Allow the man to suffer.
Thank you. So I met these guys in Bristol. I offered to buy them a drink, and then they actually acting in uni. So guys, you know, unfortunately I couldn't get them over the video. You're right, man. Slow down. Slow down. What's up, bro? You alright? So yeah, so I couldn't get a footage, but they subscribe to the channel, guys. If you're watching, you know who I'm talking about. You guys, when we hit 1 million, we're going to do an amazing party in Bristol. Make sure you perform in uni. You said you're going to invite me when you're doing a project, so I'm looking forward for that invitation, guys. Cheers. It was nice meeting you guys. I'll continue creating content for tonight. Right, so guys, I'm meant to be going to the library, but it's closed today. So come on, I don't know what's happened. So, you know what, since it's closed, let me show you guys our beautiful St. Nicholas market. You guys see my videos from here. I met lovely people here. I had amazing juice from here, amazing food from here. And I'm still here vlogging, show you guys this gorgeous place in Bristol. Have you been here? Please let me know in the comment section. Now I'm heading to a gallery, then hopefully I can show you guys the Christmas market. Bristol is gorgeous, right? Amazing place. Let me keep quiet so that I can listen to this gorgeous sound of Bristol. And also, just to let you guys know, I don't have any change, sorry. Just to let you guys know, guys, there's a Nichols shop here. There's a Zara. There's House of Fraser in a Cabot Circus. There's also Apple shop. There's also TK Maxx in Broadmeads. There's also KFC. There's Cafe Nero. There's a lot of shops down here. So if you're here for a day, like I said before, Park Street, Con Street, the Triangle, there's amazing places. OMG is one of the cool places if you want to party. A lot of people said you shouldn't visit the Gravity, but I don't know. Maybe if you're from Bristol, let me know why people said I shouldn't visit Gravity. Right guys, I've been walking for more than 1 hour creating content, and I'm trying to get to where the Christmas market is. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you.
Thank you.
My channel. Oh, cheers! Guys, the best surprise of tonight, this guy surprised me with a lot of subscription. They actually opened the video. They said, "Welcome to Bristol!"
Hey guys, welcome to Bristol! Welcome to
I'm currently at the Christmas market in Bristol. I ordered myself a non-alcoholic beer. The reason why I ordered this drink is because I'm driving, so I have to make sure I follow the rules so I don't get my license pulled over. So guys, that's how the market looks like. I'll try to show you guys a lot of content from this market, so stay tuned. Girls, if you're watching, thank you so much. You guys made my night. For opening the video and making my nights so special. I really appreciate your time. Thank you so much. Right, so I'm currently in Broadmeads at the moment, and the Christmas market seems to be a little bit quiet, but it seems like they have a lot of stalls this year than the previous year, maybe because of COVID, but this year it seems to be a lot, so I've been exploring the food stalls. I've been to where the beer bar is. I managed to have myself a non-alcoholic beer. So guys, here's the Christmas market. I'm just exploring at the moment, just while mooching around, walking around to see if I could show you guys more contents around here. Look at that, it's so beautiful. You can't see me, but you know, the most important thing is the content. So guys, it's been amazing talking to you guys tonight. For those of you guys subscribed to me while I was vlogging, you guys are amazing. I can't thank you guys enough. The dream is to hit 1 million one day. When we hit 1 million, we're going to do an amazing party from Bristol. So guys, from Christmas market Bristol, GHANAFUNTUBE. Bam! GHANAFUNTUBE. See you guys as the energy we keep on the channel. See you guys from Bristol.